let's get working on our sticker book. We're going to jump right in and work on counting how many members are in each family. We're going to match them with the numbers. So let's get started with the bees. There's 1, 2. And the bunny, 1. And how about the snails? 1, 2, 3 snails. And the fireflies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the butterflies, 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job! Now on to the next page. We'll start with the owls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wow! And the spiders? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 spiders. And what's next? The birds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 birdies. And ladybugs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that leaves the beetles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Great job counting. That was a lot of work. Now we're going to follow the steps to draw our very own sun. And the butterfly says, every sunny day is different and beautiful, just like every drawing. That's so true. First, we're going to trace the circle shape. And then next, we're going to draw the sun rays with straight lines. Now let's add a smiling face. Aww. And now we're going to color our sun in. Aww, it's cute. And of course, with coloring, you can be as creative as you want. So I'm going to add in some extra colors on the rays. I love it. Just like your smiling faces. Next, Cuddle Bug has been busy collecting lots of yummy treats. We're going to follow the key to count the objects. And to help us, we're going to use different colors to circle them. Let's start with the apples. There's 4 apples. Let's see if we can find them all. Yep, there's 4 apples. Now let's see if we can find 8 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Now 4 cookies. Yum. I love cookies. Oh, yes, and we found all of them. Now let's find 7 candies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And lastly, we have to find 6 mushrooms. Can we find them all? What do you think? These are a little bit hard to find. We did it! Great job! Now we're going to trace the letters of the 4 words, and then we're going to add the stickers. Let's start with the first one. S-U-N. That spells sun. And the next one is L-E-A and F. That spells leaf. A-P-P-L-E. That spells apple. And lastly, we have S-T-A and R. That spells star. Great job. Thank you so much for helping me. Now we're going to help the bumblebee trace all of the lines in the book. Let's go. Oh, we've got a squiggly caterpillar and circles for the moon. And these are fun. We've got some swirls for the snail. And for our bird, we're going to go up and down, up and down, up and down. And this pencil, we're making triangles. And hearts for the ladybug. Aww. And we have another moon shape. This one is half of a moon. And lastly, we're tracing stars. Ooh, awesome. That sure was a lot of work we did. Great job, and thanks for helping me today. Now let's finish up with a craft. This is adorable. door hanger that you can hang on your door. Aw, it's cute. It says, "Good night," and shh, a cuddle bug is sleeping. I hope you guys had fun with me today, and make sure to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more.